How to turn on HDR effect on REDnote app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your REDnote application. Then go to the Me or your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Now go to Settings. After that, go to General Settings. And over there, you will see an option of HDR effect. If you want high dynamic range in your videos with a wide range of contrast, simply toggle this on. And this will be applied in your home feed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.